I believe in the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast. Let me tell you why. The objectives of this movement is absolutely amazing. We are here for the reconciliation of Jamaica, bringing the various communities together so that we will work under God in harmony and unity for a better nation and a better world. And then think of this. We're here to give support to the strength and the energy of leadership in this nation. We want leadership to be empowered in order to reach out to those of us in the rest of this nation so that we will strive and thrive to be the best we can be. Why don't you give support to the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast? Let us see you online as you participate and give your prayers for the leaders of this country.